Vegetable vocabulary.
Common vegetables. Carrot. Carrot. Broccoli. Broccoli. Spinach. Spinach. Tomato. Tomato. Potato. Potato. Onion. Onion. Garlic. Garlic. Cucumber. Cucumber. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. Lettuce. Lettuce. Cabbage. Cabbage. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Zucchini. Zucchini. Eggplant. Eggplant. Green beans. Green beans. Peas. Peas. Corn. Corn. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Radish. Radish. Leafy greens. Kale. Kale. Swiss chard. Swiss chard. Arugula. Arugula. Bok choy. Bok choy. Collard greens. Collard greens. Root vegetables. Beetroot. Beetroot. Turnip. Turnip. Parsnip. Parsnip. Rutabaga. Rutabaga. Ginger. Ginger. Other vegetables. Asparagus. Asparagus. Artichoke. Artichoke. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. Celery. Celery. Leek. Leek. Fennel. Fennel. Okra. Okra. Mushroom. Mushroom. Squash. Squash. Watercress. Watercress. Less common or exotic vegetables. Kohlrabi. Kohlrabi. Jicama. Jicama. Dakin radish. Dakin radish. Shayot. Shayot. Taro. Taro. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.